Hey guys, welcome back to the Maple Leaf Barn. I'm Libby, and today I wanted to share with you how I'm transplanting my Dahlia seedlings into larger containers. A few weeks ago, we sowed these Dahlia seeds. These were the floret seed packets, and they are looking really healthy, really large, and they have definitely outgrown their 72 tray cells. We need to get these guys transplanted into larger containers so that they have more room to grow. I grabbed 100 count of these 5-quart containers, and this is what I'm going to be using. We can also use these for our tomatoes later on, and so this is going to be a very useful product for our little grow room.
You can see these Dahlia seedlings are looking really healthy and have put on quite a bit of growth, but you can also see how they are starting to crowd one another out. Some of them have a lot of leaves and others have not put on quite as many. You want to gently take the seedling out of the cell, and I used a seed label marker to help me do that. It's important to transplant because these tubers need time to grow in a larger environment. You don't want the roots to grow outside of their cells. If they did that, it could stun the growth and could damage the root systems. These seedlings will produce tubers, and that's one reason why they are so valuable to a farmer or gardener, because they are going to give you an enormous amount of tubers even though they came from seeds. This is a fairly easy process. I just filled the container 2/3 full of soil in order to give the roots and tuber enough room to grow. Then you can water in the soil or use pre-moistened soil and place the seedling inside. Next, you want to gently cover the existing root system with soil, making sure the leaves are not touching the soil, as this can cause a buildup of bacteria. Here's an example of what the little tuber is starting to look like when it's developing. It just looks slightly more detailed or larger, maybe a little hairier kind of. So be sure to look for that. You don't want to disturb the tubers. That is one reason why I did not rough up any of these seedlings. Their root systems had already started to develop the tuber from what I could see on most of them. It'll be a surprise what kind of Dahlia variety they will be, but in any case, they will produce a tuber, and then from then on, you can continue to dig up that tuber and grow whatever particular variety it does turn out to be. This is our end product here. It's going to stay in this 5-quart container. It'll continue to grow in a 60 to 65 degree temperature until it starts to be hardened off, and then we'll plant it out into the beds.
Be sure to leave us a comment below with your favorite Dahlia variety. I'd love to hear what you are growing in your garden this year. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.